Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to delete your TikTok account. Today I'll be showing you how to delete your TikTok account if you don't want to TikTok anymore or if you're trying to take a break from any social media stuff. So right now I'm going to show you how to delete your TikTok. First thing you need to do is click on your profile, and when you're in your profile, click on the three horizontal line on the top right. And once you're here, click on settings and privacy. And right here, click the first thing on the top here on account. Click on account. After clicking on account, in the bottom you will see a deactivated or delete account, and let's click on it. Delete account. Then you'll see you will have two choices: deactivate your account or delete your account. So deactivate your account is very useful if you don't want to use your TikTok for like 2 months, 1 week, or maybe a few days, and you want to get back to TikTok. But here in this video, we're going to show you how to delete your TikTok account permanently. So I'm going to click on delete account permanently. Choose the second one, and we're going to choose another reason. So we're going to type in I need a social media break. Then continue, or you can just skip it if you want. Then after that, click here. Then after that, click on continue. And there you go. Read all of that. So after 30 days, if you don't reopen your account, it will be deleted permanently. So let's continue. And just enter your password. So I'm gonna cut this part. So enter the code that you've sent in your email. So we're gonna enter the code that we've sent in our email. We're gonna check. I thought I was gonna enter the password, but I was just gonna enter the code in the email. So I'm not gonna cut it. So we're gonna open up an email. Just wait. Go to Gmail. Once I'm here, the code is 560. I'm gonna put in 560, then 284. There you go. Delete account and delete.
How could you
That's
do that?
how
I had to.
delete your account in TikTok. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.